Hello, my darling Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? My name is Fumidesaluvold. For those of you stopping by for the very first time, you are so very welcome indeed, my darlings. So what do we have here, my darlings? What do we have here? Well, Ciara legally adds Wilson to son with Future's last name. Ciara's son with rapper Future is legally a Wilson. Russell Wilson's last to her eldest son's legal name. TMZ has learned the singer added Russell Wilson's last name to her eldest son's legal name. Ciara and Russell hit the US Open this week with their children, but when Russ posted a shot of Ciara and their family from the stands with a caption, Miss Ciara Wilson, Future Wilson, and Sienna Wilson, fans zeroed in on the fact that Future Zahir's last name was written as Wilson. Sparkling speculation Russell had adopted him. Sources with direct knowledge tell TMZ Ciara has full custody of her 11-year-old and Wilson was legally added to his name a few years back. He still has his dad's Future's last name, Wilburn, in his full legal name. Ciara and Russell married 9 years ago. Wow, time flies. Parents to 3 other children, looked all smiles outside. As for Future, he stayed quiet, though the last time Ciara was asked about their co-parenting situation, she couldn't help but laugh. Fumi Nation sent me this, and you wanted my take on it. You have a biological parent, and you have the parent that raises a child. To be a parent and to raise a child has nothing with DNA contribution. You can be, like I said, biologically a parent or related to anybody for that matter. But what matters really is the presence you impact on that child. It shapes them, it gives them confidence, it builds them up, and we as parents, we really shape their childhood. We do. I cannot tell you how many single mothers write me to tell me that they love their child over and above the absentee father that promises to show up for a football match, to show up for a game, to show up for a birthday party. That's what breaks their heart more than anything. They tell me, I don't care what he did to me. I don't even care if he does nothing for me. But can he not just show up for his kids? Because we love our children above all else. I don't know what the dynamic is between Ciara and Future. I will just focus on her son. I believe she's doing the best for their son. And Russell is a huge part of raising her son that she had with Future. And she has 3 other children with Russell. And all 4 are hers. They came from her. These are my babies. Doesn't matter, you know, the daddy, the pappy. These are my children and I love them equally and I'll treat them equally. The father is the one that shows up. The father is the one that is present on a regular basis. The father is the big up that says, I can put this to the side and I will always be respectful of your mama. And I will always be respectful of any situation that you are in, and I will always create a safe space for you, my son. That's the father. That's the one. The one that comes and wakes up at night, takes you to the hospital, stays there all night. The one that shows up for the birthdays, for when you win your medals in school, for when you're not feeling good that day. That's the father. Take the ego out of it. And I know it's very rare, but wouldn't it be wonderful where Future would say, Russell, thank you, my brother, for taking care of my son. That as I am not there, I know you are there. Thank you. Ciara, whatever we had, we had. And wherever I was wrong, I apologize. And no matter what happened between us, you're a wonderful mother to our son. And you want your son to know that no matter what happened, baby boy, I love you. And I love your mother because she gave birth to you. She gifted me you. So I have to love her. And so we are a big family. Forget about whatever happened between me and your mom. We love you. And we love and respect each other because of you. So whatever you need, I'm here. And when I'm not here, guess what? Daddy Russell is also there too. There was a man who took his 3 children and lived in the wilderness for 4 years because of the intense animosity he had towards the mother of those 3 children. It ended very sadly because he lost his life in the altercation with the police who found the 3 children. The first thing I said was, those poor children, they've lost a father. For me, it's always about the children. It's always about the children. It's never not about the children. I know Ciara must have thought about this. She had full custody of him. And for her to laugh when she was asked about co-parenting gives you an idea of exactly how much co-parenting they have. That's all I gotta say on that. That's all I gotta say. In defense for Future, I hope he doesn't take it as an offense. I hope he's not embittered by it. I hope he doesn't try to seek any kind of revenge or say anything in relation to that. I hope he always thinks of his son. And to all parents that have parted ways, let the focus always be on the children. Always. I think that if you do that, then you will be able to accept, to forgive, to understand the difficulties, challenges that you had between you two as the parents. If there's nothing you did right in that relationship, one thing you did right for sure was the children. The beautiful children that you brought into this world, and you have to give them a fair chance at having a good life. And it will always start and stem from the traumas and the laughters of their childhood. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, hit the notification button, and I'll see you what? I'll see you sooner than later. All of my love. Yes, I do. Look, back up. Have you noticed that I refuse to give any of this away? It's always sold out. Always what? It's always sold out. So, guys, what do I think about our slippery lime shampoo? Let me show you something. Let me show you something. And for the benefit of other shampoo products, I covered them. I had to do this test because I needed to prove a point. And I don't want to bring up any other product or brand. But these are other shampoos that I've had. Yeah? Okay. So I'm going to take them out one by one. Let me put my slippery slime here. I'm going to bring it out one by one. And I'm going to pour it out for you to see. Yeah? Look at the consistency. Look at the consistency. Okay. That is one. Look at the consistency of this one. Okay. Look at the consistency of this. Oh God. Look at the consistency of this. Look at the consistency of slippery slime shampoo by Healthy Hair Studio, created by a trichologist called ENITAN. It's a beast. It won't even. Just look. If you are asking me, Fumi, a slippery lime shampoo, Healthy Hair Studio, created by trichologist ENITAN. Is it FDV approved? It is absolutely FDV approved. It is absolutely FDV approved. Go right ahead and use my discount code Fumi and get you.
Value of the information that we were given. So it's not overwhelming. It was very clearly laid out. It was accessible even for someone that's not familiar with public relations.
Now I'm leaving, feeling more PR ready. What I thought I knew, I now know more. What I came to do, I've done so much more.
If you are serious about really growing your business or growing your brand, then like this is really this is a must.
And I love the fact that I came away from it feeling and knowing that I now have a clear pathway for the things I want to do next for my business.
I'm literally in awe.
I feel like I can pitch. There's so many platforms that I've wanted to go on, so many podcasts or just things that I thought I can only dream about. But in this retreat and just through the classes and the sessions, I really learned how to actually reach out to those platforms, to those huge platforms.
Know that when it comes to PR, Nina gonna put you together, okay? During our sessions, how she walked us through the playbook and she had us complete tasks. It gave us a sense of clarity.
Nina, you did that. You brought a group of amazing women together and you helped us bond, see our worthiness, and yeah, it was everything I could have dreamed of and more.
yes, it's really been a unforgettable experience.
This is by far the most impactful few days I've had in a very long time.
Nina, you have no idea how profoundly your journey has impacted my journey.
Don't even think about not signing up.
Hi guys, my name is ENITAN, hair coach. I am UK's first ever hair coach and a trichologist. We are a team of trichologists and hair coaches here in W6 London, and we help those who are desperate and have tried and everything else has failed. We look after those who have chronic scalp concerns, flaky itchy scalp that's been going on for many years. We help those that have hair loss that has progressed instead of improved, and we help those that just generally want to have a better understanding of better quality hair, length, volume, and reduce that dryness. Visit us by clicking